Our planet is in distress. The signs are all around us and they are impossible to ignore. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, it is our reality. From the melting glaciers in the polar regions to the flooded streets in our cities, the evidence is overwhelming. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and ecosystem collapse are stark reminders of the urgent need for action. Wildfires rage through forests, hurricanes devastate coastlines, and pollution chokes our rivers, killing marine life. We must act now to restore the balance of our natural world. Efforts are being made, from planting trees to harnessing renewable energy, but much more is needed. In this fight for survival, a powerful ally emerges. Artificial intelligence. AI is not just a tool, it is a game changer in our quest to save the planet. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns, offers hope. Scientists are leveraging AI to process environmental data, monitor changes, and predict future scenarios. It can revolutionize our approach to climate restoration, providing us with the tools to understand, monitor, and heal our planet. Through AI simulations, satellite imagery, and drone monitoring, we can gain unprecedented insights and take informed actions to protect our world. However, we must tread carefully. AI is not without its own environmental costs. The training of complex AI models requires immense computational power, consuming vast amounts of energy. This energy consumption translates into a significant carbon footprint, contributing to the very problem we are trying to solve.
The production and disposal of AI hardware also pose environmental challenges. Mining for rare earth minerals essential for AI infrastructure can lead to habitat destruction and pollution. We must find ways to mitigate these negative impacts.
Despite these challenges, AI's potential for environmental good is undeniable. Imagine AI-powered systems monitoring deforestation in real time, detecting illegal logging activities and alerting authorities. This is just one example of how AI can be a powerful guardian of our planet.
AI can also help us restore damaged ecosystems. By analyzing soil conditions, weather patterns, and species interactions, AI can guide reforestation efforts, ensuring the right trees are planted in the right places at the right time.
Section 4: Global Action Policies and People Power. In this section, we explore how global policies and the collective power of people can drive significant change in our fight against climate change. To harness the full potential of AI for climate restoration, we must integrate advanced technologies into our environmental strategies. This means leveraging AI to monitor ecosystems, predict climate patterns, and develop innovative solutions for restoration. We need strong global action. International collaborations are essential as they bring together diverse expertise and resources. Global leaders must commit to environmental policies that support AI-driven climate restoration efforts.
Governments and policymakers must implement regulations that promote the development and deployment of sustainable AI. These regulations should encourage innovation while ensuring that AI technologies are used responsibly and ethically.